we're here in beautiful Pawhuska at Allen Brothers Feed Store. We're here at the Garden Center, and I have with me Patty Sayers, and she is the horticulturist behind this. She's also one of my first master gardeners that graduated through our program here in Osage County. And a lot of the plants that you're going to see have been used to beautify downtown Pawhuska. And I understand you are about to open a separate store?
Yes, another garden center over on Main Street. We're going to expand and move over there just as soon as we can get it ready.
That's wonderful. Now, did you move into an existing structure,
Yes, it's an old building, but we've had to do a lot to remodel it, and but it's got 2 nice big lots that go with it, or 3 lots, I think, and we're going to fill it up.
Now, Patty came through the first Master Gardeners program we ever had in Osage County, and was that a very beneficial experience?
Oh, it was wonderful. I would recommend it to anybody who appreciates gardening. It just expanded on what knowledge I did have because I've gardened for years, but it expanded on it so much. It's an invaluable source of information.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear. Now, I understand you also have a greenhouse your husband and you put together?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we grow a lot of our plants there. We start them out at the greenhouse, and then we move them over here when they're ready to sell.
Well, that's wonderful. Well, you want to talk about some of your favorite plants here, or show some of the ones that you really...
You know, I love them all, and I really like unusual things too that not everybody offers. There's Ryusin Japanese maples. These are just beautiful, and they have such beautiful fall color, and they do great here in Oklahoma.
Well, thank you, Patty, so much for showing us the garden center and all your lovely flowers and plants. And we'll look forward to seeing your new store when you open it. And it's really nice you're using some of the information you learned from the Master Gardeners program in your garden, in your business. We really appreciate that.
Yes, it's been my pleasure.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.